snake is this? Python. Oh, this is a python. Bali Swing, go!
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help.
Hi guys, this is Brewed Indian and welcome to my brand new series, Brewed Diaries. Wow, that actually rhymes. In this series, I take you on a journey with me of amazing experiences.
There was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you.
Of beautiful people.
I have Angela and Gurbo with me. Shukriya, shukriya. Keep in the boat, yeah.
Fantastic destinations.
And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace. This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that
I'm not a solo traveler, I travel with friends and family.
life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart.
How's the trip going?
Yeah, it's good.
People say that Kasol is no for stops. Don't know what stop.
Stay caught us off guard, but
So come be a part of this journey with me and I'm sure you won't regret
been
it.
counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home.
So subscribe to Brewed Indian right away, press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Coming home.
This is a 5-episode series, new videos coming every week.
From town area, more than 20,000 temples. We are praying with three main gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara.
Has been an amazing journey.